Okay, so do excuse the mess. Look how dirty it is. Yes, I know, I will clean it, I promise. But just letting you know that yes, my little cargo hold, my little Millennium Falcon smuggling compartment is wet. Now I know everybody says that it's these lights, so they need resealing. So I shall do that. I've got a few bits and bobs to do, but I am noticing a few little age-related issues now that I am going to have to take care of. But I'm letting this dry out today. What a massive boot it is when you actually put it all down. But yeah, I'm going to have to let this air out. Once it's aired out, I'm going to leave that up whilst I'm driving, let the air circulate, dry it out, and then fix the problem. It's damp to the touch. It wasn't full of water, but I could visibly see when I opened it, it was wet, and this was wet. So the condensation on this, as I shut it, that was getting wet. So yeah, it needs a hoover and it needs a clean out. But I am going to do that. So today I'm letting this dry out, and there's a little update for the daily living with an FN2. I'm sure you guys have all had that problem, so let me know how you resolved it. I'm pretty sure it's resealing these, but let me know if you had a different problem, and I'll make sure that I look into that as well. Right, not a very interesting video, I know, but thanks guys, and Happy New Year.